Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Wanted to get up here and talk to you real quick about a few updates of some things that we have going on. But before I go into this video, guys, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. And guys, part of the house rules to all my value subscribers. Thank you for being a value subscriber. I'm honored to have you view this video. Guys, press that like button. Hit that like button somewhere during this video if you like that video, and I would appreciate it. Hit the like button, folks, and we'll continue to provide great content so you can make an informed decision on how to increase your wealth, increase your well-being from the comfort of your home, creating God's job replacing income, and you making an informed decision as if something's ready for you. As we provide products and services, guys, we're excited about these programs. Labor Day yesterday marked the unofficial start of summer. The unofficial end of summer. And we are getting ready to folks to go for a ride of our lives. The next few months are going to be incredible. Work at home explodes, literally explodes all the way through Christmas. It slacks up during the week of Christmas and then gain back on through tax season. Folks, this is go time. You find a program, you plug in, and you start earning unlimited commissions on a daily basis. Folks, I am stoked about these programs that we have. All of them work. I have several opportunities that I'm involved with. You find one or two or three or several that resonate with you and you take action. And that's powerful. Guys, this is the Instant Postcard Wealth Program. I talk about this program all the time. This program continues every single day to bring unlimited daily multiple $98 payments. Folks, just a few minutes ago, I want to welcome a new member, Gordon. Gordon, welcome to the team. Just joined us in this program September the 3rd, 54 minutes ago. As I record this video, we received a payment from Gordon. Welcome to the program. And the next monthly payment will be on October the 3rd. Folks, this is monthly residual payments. Gordon has set himself up to receive unlimited monthly $98 payments over and over and over and over and over again. Folks, that is powerful. Residual income at its greatest. Folks, the Instant Postcard Wealth Program, you will get a website that looks just like this one. It is absolutely incredible. Tony DePaulo, one of our biggest members, he does the selling, telling, explaining for us so we never have to. Absolutely powerful. The website here, it will communicate with whoever is your prospect and they will make an informed decision. This is a duplicatable website. It is cut and paste simple. We have 3 lead capture pages. We have 15 autoresponder messages, folks. It is a done-for-you system. It is plug and play. You sign up, you give your information to the owner of the program, and your website is ready within 24 hours, and you send traffic to it. And the Instant Postcard Wealth, folks, if you can mail a postcard, put a stamp on it, you can win with this program. Folks, it is easy. It's duplicatable. There's zero internet marketing required unless you want to. And folks, I'm telling you what, if you would take this program and get serious about it, you can start earning a strong monthly residual income working from the comfort of your home. All you need to do is get rid of the idea of all the making programs that you see out there are not really worth it. Folks, get out the rat race. Before I go any further, I want to make something perfectly clear. Folks, there are a lot of programs out there, but we want to show you, I just showed you documented proof that this system absolutely works. It is part of the postcard marketing. It's part of the multi-billion-dollar direct mail industry. In fact, it is what is being said. You can feel rest assured this program is 100% legitimate income opportunity. Folks, the secret of the massively wealthy is being unlocked for you. What I'm about to share with you is a step-by-step system that many people across the country are using to generate immediate cash flow to their homes. Now, I know that what you're thinking, sure, I like to learn about money making from home. Folks, plain and simple, does it work? It absolutely works, and it works over and over again. Folks, what happens when people receive your postcard in the mail, a postcard like this in the mail, You drop it in the mailbox, people receive it. It's cash. This is, you drop it in the mailbox, you receive cash. It's just that simple. You mail the postcard, drop it in the mailbox, receive cash. The amazing instant postcard wealth program, folks, has been around for several years. I've been in this program for over 3 years, and I'm so stoked about it as I was on day one. Postcard marketing absolutely works. And if you can mail a postcard now with this program, let me show you the value. Let me show you the products, the service that you're going to get. Okay, you're going to get a guide. This is a downloadable e-guide. In this marketing guide, it's going to show you how to effectively market any program out there, whether it be through the business of mailing postcards. It's going to show you how to market any business, any cookbook program, any work at home system, whatever in life you want to do, and you want to get the messages out via postcards. This system will show you how to effectively do it. What days a week we mail, what size postcard we use, what color postcard we use, how many do we mail a day. And folks, it does the selling again, the telling, the explaining for you, and it trains you to position yourself as the expert in postcard marketing. Folks, you ask yourself, does this system work? Folks, just mail a few postcards every day. It's just plain that simple. People ask me all the time, Timothy, what's the best day of the week to mail? Folks, anytime you can get to a mailbox, 6 days a week, mail. I don't care if you're mailing but 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40 postcards per day, you mail. If you can't mail every day, mail every other day. If you can't mail every other day, mail 2-3 times a week. And folks, flow your mailings. There's no waiting for checks, folks. This website will collect payments for you night and day, day and night. Look at this, folks. Unexpected payments just show up all day. I'm excited about it. Every day, every day. Again, this payment came in 59 minutes ago. September the 3rd, you received a payment. Folks, this is powerful. And this is documented proof as to what the program can do for you. Let's go back to Instant Postcard Wealth. Again, there's no waiting for checks. Our exclusive postcard system, guys. I'm going to go through this video another day. When you get a chance, look over the testimonial of David Malik in California. David shares his testimonial on how much this postcard has made for him, how many sales he's generated, how many postcards he mailed out, and he does it over and over and over again. The post marketing guide is now available for download in members area. You can download it, guys. You can print this postcard marketing guide out. You can read it online. It's yours once you join the program. Folks, if you can mail a postcard from the comfort of your home, if you answered yes, you can make money with our proven postcard system. Now, guys, here's our postcards. People use bright blue, canary yellow, which is a bright yellow. You put the stamp here, your pill and stick label here. Your stamp goes on the right-hand corner up top. And on the other side, it shows the program. And on another video, I'll show you how that postcard looks. You ask, can you make money with this system? Absolutely. Just mail postcards daily, and you can receive money on a daily basis. You get 100% resale rights to our Instant Postcard Wealth Guide. And once you're a member, you will receive access to the Instant Postcard Wealth Guide ebook with complete resale rights. There are 22 postcard designs that you can use, that you can choose from, and that is powerful. Now, guys, within you're going to get these 24 proven postcard designs. You can print out on your computer, and you can edit them and make them say what you want them to say. But most of them are already ready to go, and I'm sure that you will enjoy them once you get in the back office. Folks, the e-guide, again, the ebook is an instant downloadable product that you get when you market this program. Ask yourself, how much can I make? Folks, the process is simple, and the money is limitless. There's no limit on how much money you can make with this program. Folks, remember, the amount of money you make depends on whatever you put in any of these direct mail programs. Remember, where there's no action, there's no results. Folks, this program, don't overcomplicate it. It's simple as 1, 2, 3. Making money with direct mail is a numbers game. And folks, here are the 3 key elements that make up so good: your product, your mailing list, how many postcards you mail daily. Folks, I've given you the success formula. Now, your product, which the Instant Postcard Wealth, excellent. Mailing list, I recommend Wilson's List. Folks, if you're watching this video, If you're watching this video and you're looking for a direct mail opportunity, I mean a direct mail mailing list to use, some of the best lists in the world that I have personally used is Wilson's List. I've recommended them highly, and you do it over and over and over again. These folks provide fresh, responsive names. Now, if you have a Nixie, our names on the direct mail list are a maximum of 30 days old. That is absolutely incredible. And they will replace every Nixie that you get back for about 50 cents, guys. They're that serious about making sure that you get quality names. So if you're in a direct mail program and you need leads, of course, go with what your person that you're partnering with recommends first. But if you want to branch out, guys, and finding another mailing list source, not putting all your eggs in one basket, consider Wilson's List. They have direct mail leads, they have email leads, we have testimonials, absolutely powerful information. Guys, when you get ready to join Instant Postcard Wealth, let's go back over there. Stroll to the bottom. It shows you how much you can make. Stroll to the bottom of the site, and then you just click on Order Now. Take you to the order page. It'll walk you through, and guys, you'll be off to the races. Get your information over to the owner of the program, and guys, you can win. That's my mini version of the Instant Postcard Wealth, guys. I have several review videos on this program. Wanted to refresh everybody on it, and just let you know, I don't mention this program every day, but it's exciting. I don't mention all these programs every day. I try to review several programs during the week that we're involved with, give you updates, and let you know where we're at. So the Instant Postcard Wealth, guys, could never have been better. It is great. I feel it's going to be great for many years to come. Postcard marketing is exciting, and it explodes in September, October, November, all the way through December into tax season. Postcard marketing does its best. Folks, tonight we will be having, this is Tuesday night, we'll be having a Millionaire Mailer conference call. Look at this beautiful website. This is Jerry in Florida. His website is ZL1, beautiful vehicle. We can get your website, looks just like this. It has email, follow-up, lead capture page. To the new Millionaire Mailer postcards are coming. They are absolutely exciting. Guys, you can get a website that looks like this. You can mail postcards that will take you to a site that looks like this with the Millionaire Mailer. And all these proof videos that we have, guys, all this proof, I mean proof after proof after proof, $500 payments, $1,000 payments, all kinds. When they purchase the product from the Millionaire Mailer, guys, they can partner into this program and win. So we have a conference call tonight. It's Mary Beth and her website. You can reach out to her if you have any questions, or the person that referred you to the program. Join us for the next Millionaire Mailer conference call, 9 p.m. Eastern. It's going to be 6 p.m. Pacific time. So I encourage you to get on the Millionaire Mailer conference call tonight, guys. It's going to be very, very exciting. We're going to have great information on the state of mail order. We're going to have great information on the new Millionaire Mailer postcard system. We're going to have great information on the vision going forth into the next few months, into Christmas, into 2020. The vision for 2020 is extremely bright with the Millionaire Mailer, the new things that we have in the pipeline. One of the best, if not the best, mail order program out there in the country today, bar none. Exciting. Now, last but not least, let's go over here, guys. I don't want to rush through the program, but I want to take time out and show you this awesome thing that I have here. The Millionaire Pro Stamp 100. Folks, wow, this flyer can absolutely flood your mailbox. Flood your mailbox with hundreds of stamps every week, every day. The fast results will literally amaze you. Folks, you mail this flyer along with any direct mail program that you're in, and you hang on. You're going to get so many stamps in the mail, it's not even funny, because people will join a stamp flyer sometime quicker than they will the primary opportunity. They may be happy with their opportunity, but if you can show them a legitimate, honest way that you can partner with their leader and you can receive stamps unlimited into the mail, you can win. Folks, with this program, you're going to get 100 stamps on the first level, 100 stamps on the second level, and they're going to send, I believe, 40 stamps to position number 3. So 100, 140 to position number 3, and people can win. Super excited about this stamp program. Start receiving hundreds of stamps. Let it flood your mailbox literally with stamps, And when you get a chance, read this in detail. If you want a copy of this flyer, email me, say, hey, send me a copy, or comment below, and I'll send you a copy of the Millionaire Pro Stamp Club 100. We have the Pro, and this is 100, so you get 100 stamps per sign up. Guys, again, hit the like button. Hit the like button on the video if you enjoyed it. I will keep uploading videos on it as often as I can to keep you inspired, to show you a better way to create job replacement income, go where you want to go, do what you want to do. Financial freedom can be yours. Make more money than our job could ever pay you with work at home. And this is truly exciting. Guys, again, if I offer value, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. And on the Millionaire Mailer conference call tonight, we're going to hold a workshop next Saturday. Next Saturday, we're going to have a workshop with the Millionaire Mailer. Have a wonderful day, guys. I got more details tonight, 9 p.m. See you there.